Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. Today, we're working on the Golf, as we do every Wednesday, as I say every single Wednesday. First off, I want to start the video by saying I hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving tomorrow. I know I'm going to be spending some time with the family, relaxing a little bit, and enjoying some food and all of that. So if you are in the US or you celebrate wherever you are, happy Thanksgiving. And second, if you are new to the channel, or if you're not new to the channel, this is the first video you're watching, this is the 100th video you're watching, and you're not subscribed, go down below and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the GTI content or any of the NC Miata content. In today's video, we are going to continue the process of installing our new Whiteline end links. I just lost them. We're installing the rear Whiteline adjustable end links for the Mk7 GTI. Should be pretty straightforward, just like the fronts. If you haven't seen the front install, go up in the corner, click on that video, go check it out. It was a really easy install, and they have been performing fine for the last month or so. I can't remember when I installed those, but they've been performing well, no complaints there, and I'm excited to get the rears on. So with all of Whiteline's things, well packaged, it's a whole kit, comes with instructions, comes with all the hardware you need, covers for your end link bushings. And yeah, so these go in the rear. The rear end links on the GTI are plastic, so these are for sure an upgrade. They're nice cast metal. And as with the fronts, thank you Whiteline for sending these out to me to shoot a video on them. Really excited to have both the products. Well, like I said, Whiteline has been around for a long time. A lot of people run their stuff in all kinds of different cars. They just happen to make some good stuff for the Mk7 GTI. So when I was able to get these, I was really excited. It would have been my choice regardless of whether or not they sent them to me or not. So thank you Whiteline. Whiteline's URL is down in the description below to go check it out, put your car in, see what parts they have, and pick something up. So what we're gonna do is get the car jacked up, get the wheels off, and just get started on this install. Quick comparison, these are the OEM stock units. They are like plastic. These bushings are they still feel like they're in pretty good shape, but obviously we'll get a different little bit of performance and longevity from our Whiteline ones, which are much heavier, beefier, made of metal. And yeah, so a little bit smaller of a unit altogether, but not a huge deal. So these are definitely going to be an upgrade. I am going to throw the Whiteline ones in, throw these ones in the spare parts bin, and keep going. So the way they have you set these up is the little collars go on the part that attaches to your lower suspension. And then we have a washer, two washers actually, that go on either side of the sway bar. So we'll put them like that. Sway bar goes in the middle, and then a nice new nut to go on the end of the end link. So that's how these are going to be set up. I'm going to get them adjusted to fit close to OEM. That's kind of what I've done until I can go get this car like properly corner balanced and everything where a professional will adjust these. I'm going to just leave them at the normal length and go from there. And we are done with the Whiteline rear end links. They went in pretty easy. Much easier to get them out than to get them in. The tolerances are really tight on those collars and everything. And if you don't have everything lined up perfectly, and you start tightening things like I did, it's really hard to adjust and you have to end up kind of taking things apart to get it back together. So Whiteline end links, done. So again, special thank you to Whiteline for sending me out these end links. So I now have Whiteline front adjustable end links, Whiteline rear adjustable end links. So now this car can go in to get like corner balanced or anything like that, and they'll be able to get everything sitting exactly how it should, because you're supposed to adjust the end links when the car's on the ground. Obviously I can't do that. I don't have a lift, like a 4-post lift or anything like that, so everything is DIY here, as you guys know. So we do it as best we can. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, if you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that red subscribe button, hit that bell too so you don't miss out on any future live streams or future videos. Leave your comments below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.